Hi, we're Team 26, working with mainly I Love Kids or MILK to support long-term graduate tracking. Let's roll the video.
Hello, my name is Jasper, and let me show you the original onboarding process done by MILK. They use this 35-question onboarding form to support students through their scholarship. As you can see, it collects a lot of essential information, but there is no structure with the follow-up with students after they've been onboarded. This means organizations like MILK struggle to track long-term outcomes, like graduation success, employment, or future needs over the years. This limits how effectively they can refine their programs, engage alumni, or advocate for support. Our team has set out to rethink this process, so let's take a look at the prototype we've built to make this journey smoother for both students and MILK.
Hello everyone, my name is Junming and I'll be going through the prototype with you all right now. So first of all, you head to Telegram and then you can search for Milk Scholar bot, it's the first one right here. Right, and then you can just click on this start button. So what will happen now is that we are going to simulate an application process. So we'll just highlight, let's say first name Junming, first name Lin, NRIC, let's say A1234567, B, what is that? Okay, email John .doe@example.com. Contact number 12349876. LinkedIn profile URL, this is a great one. So LinkedIn profile URL, I just put this here. And then for nationality, so I can just click on foreigner for myself. Date of birth, let's say 31st December 2000. Okay, I'm a student from SIT is here. Right, course title applied computing fintech. And then course information, financial technology. Then click here, let's put it 0, 0, 0. Okay, so after you finish the application process, it will go to open this web app, right? Just launch it up. And what you see here is that these are the so-called bucket D questions. So you see there's 23 questions here. And we put it in the second phase here because we don't want to overwhelm them at the onboarding process. So bucket D questions within the app, bucket A questions within the Telegram bot interface. And you can also go to this U page, the profile page. You can edit things in case it's wrong. For example, let's say I'm not Jermaine and I'm Edmund. You can just type it here as well. Okay, nice, save it up to the latest one. So these informations are being stored inside our database. You can see this one. This is myself, like literally what we typed just now. Remember, I just changed my name from Jermaine to Edmund. So all this is being stored inside here. Bucket A response. So yeah, that's a little bit about our prototype.
So this is the dashboard that I've worked on. So you try to click on the full name for Alice Tan, see whether it works. Yeah, so basically the admin will just click on this and then they will see like all the details like the LinkedIn profile and like if they already graduated or not. Status is basically if they graduated then it's completed. Not started means they just signed up for the scholarship. Then in progress is they are studying and you try to click the LinkedIn profile. So for the API, it will be linked. Then you can see the whole profile for LinkedIn.
So this is what I came up for the dashboard. So we are trying to find out like the number of graduates because the main problem is they can't track like where the graduates are like or like what they're doing in their life, right? So we just want to get an estimated number of graduates. We also want to know the existing students as well as like the graduates engagement. The graduates engagement is basically whether they are attending events or like how engaged they are with Milk itself. And then this employment status is basically like after they graduated, are they employed or are they unemployed? Should like to understand more about like where they are in their life right now. They are trying to track when they apply, applicants apply, they will like link their LinkedIn account. Right, so we just want to know, get a gauge of how many people are actually having a LinkedIn. This is the settings page for the admin itself, like what's their settings, and then like if they want their contact number, their password, they want to change their password, they can change their password as well as we will just have the LinkedIn account for Milk itself and their language preferences. And then this is just basically like their help desk. Yeah, that's about this.
So on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being not likely and 5 being most likely, how likely are you to complete the full onboarding process, especially repeatedly?
2, 3, 2, closer to 2, yeah.
What was your single most frustrating part of filling the entire big form? Just in one sentence.
Quantity. It's just too much to go through.
Now, after trying our Telegram chatbot, can you sum up the experience in just 2 words?
Responsive and efficient.
So on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being not likely and 5 being the most likely, how likely are you to complete the full onboarding when it's broken into the Telegram chatbot and the web profile task list?
3.5, 4.
So now after trying our Telegram chatbot, can you sum up the experience in 1 or 2 words?
I would say it's casual and friendly.
Any quick suggestions that will make the bot or the web page even easier for you?
Say maybe you all can have a quick program or reminder of how far I am in the bot, know roughly how much. Also a short video or screenshot just to new users quickly will be done.
Hi, my name is Sun Wei, and I learned that small actions can create big changes.
Hello, I'm Jess, and I've learned how powerful design choices can make complex processes feel simple and human.
This social innovation project, I learned that it's okay to not have a clear plan because like we will have discussions and feedbacks with our teammates which will eventually help us grow into ideas. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Christine and I've learned that cross-collaboration have helped us create a more effective solution.
Hi, my name is Junming and I've learned that teamwork makes the dream work. When everyone does their part properly, things can get done quickly.